Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ActiveCampaign CRM to score leads automatically, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. From the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon located at the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, select scoring from the available options. Click on lead scoring to access the scoring configuration page. Next, you'll see an option to enable lead scoring. Toggle the switch to activate it. Once enabled, you can define the scoring criteria based on your needs. Add various criteria for scoring by clicking on the Add a Scoring Rule button. In the scoring rule settings, choose the type of activity you want to track. You can select from options like email opens, link clicks, form submissions, and website visits. After selecting the activity type, assign a score for each action that you want to evaluate. For example, you might assign a positive score for a form submission. Once you've set your desired scoring rules, review them for accuracy. Save your changes to finalize the lead scoring setup. Now, navigate back to your contacts by clicking on the Contacts tab in the main menu. Select a contact to see how your scoring rules are applied in real time. As contacts engage with your content, their scores will adjust automatically based on your rules. You can monitor individual scores and overall lead performance through your dashboard. Adjust scoring rules as necessary to refine how leads are evaluated. This will help ensure that your CRM is working effectively to prioritize leads. To enhance your strategy, consider segmenting your leads based on score thresholds. Adjust your marketing efforts based on lead scores to maximize conversions. That's it. You've successfully enabled automatic lead scoring in ActiveCampaign CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.